This is Jessie Ketz. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. Hi guys! On the way sa Motion Gate. Ayun sila. Ayan guys, on the way. Hello! Hi! I'm a Peekaboo! Oh, si Mr. Ketz na lang. Oh, wow. The driver. Hello. Look on the road, guys. Ayan. Time check. 3 p.m. Kasi gusto namin. Actually, ito ay Pinoy Fest. Yung dating 330 or 350, naging 99 dirhams na lang per head. And we decided na hindi pa naman kami nakapunta doon. Kaya, itatry namin siya kung ano nga. Kahit, medyo summertime and the degrees is feels like ano ngayon 35 degrees. Oh my gosh! Oh, yun daw sabi ni Mr. Ketz. So, see you in a bit guys pag malapit na kami. Guys, so parking na kami. So, meron naman kayong choice. May parang mga bike driver dyan o cycle driver to take you from the parking to the entrance. So, ayan ang makikita nyo sa entrance. Meron din mga small buggy dyan guys, but we decided to walk kasi parang 2 to 5 minutes walk lang naman. Ayaw nilang maghintay, gusto nilang mag-walk. Pero ako lang, ang init. So, ayan. So there you go guys, I can see the entrance, you know, both sides naman, like there's like a water sprinkler, so like you can go there, but para ma-miss lang kayo yung, kasi sobrang init nga. Ayun, sa side, makikita nyo entrance. By the way guys, reminder, cameras is allowed daw, pero hindi daw allowed yung mic. So, doon sa right side entrance, mayroong information desk doon. So, I have to leave my mic dito sa aking camera kasi daw hindi allowed. Well, nagpunta kami dito is last June 13, 2025. O, diba yung promo hanggang June 15, nakahabol pa kami. And this is what you see upon entering, o diba? So, meron dyan guys, nagtitinikling kasi nga today or this week, it's a Independence Day celebration. Kaya meron silang Pinoy Fest. O, diba? Yun lang guys, let's walk around. Columbia Pictures. Ha? Ito makikita guys ha. Wow, meet the character. Oh, guys, ayan ha. Oh, 4 kayo, pwede.
Ano? Wow, ganda ah. Hi guys! We are here sa Ghostbusters. Let's go! Let's go to the Ghostbusters. Video lang yan.
Who can you call?
Huh. It's like this. Wala. Whom do you call?
Well guys, after yan, mga bars and all, papasok kayo sa hallway. Itong family na to, kala nila wala ng pasukan. So, ano sila dyan.
It's closed?
I said open, di daw
It's open?
yan. So, ayan, may parang guide. Yan guys, di ba parang may library, tapos nandun yung kanilang, sa baba, ganun yung setup. Well, after ng ride, ayan ang makikita nyo, syempre mga souvenir, mga merch. By the way guys, bawal pala ang camera during the ride.
Guys, we finished Ghostbusters! Enjoy ba? Enjoy. I like
or
it.
take photo.
Di masyadong hassle. Now we will go to the river. I think this is the Riverland. Yan guys, oh. Yung mga yung kila Shrek, di ba? Ha? Pennsylvania nga to. Let's go. Ayan guys. Okay guy. Oh, ayan oh. Oh, you get it, no? How much is it? Okay. May mga merch din sila, oh. Merch. Spend one night stand at Lapita Hotel. Ayan. Ano daw? Card? Oh God. Oh, diba?
Ano yung sa kabila?
Let's go. Check. Ayan, dyan kami pumasok. Hotel Transylvania. Ha? Akin na. Oh, miss, you can do it. You will do it? Yan? Ikaw lang. Kaya mo mag-isa? Jaja, you have to go. Ano ba yung picture mo? Blast off for Daddy and Memes. We're going to try some games while we wait for them. Ayan, ito yung games na gulo. Naririnig ko si Daddy.
Ay, sila sa kabila, oh.
Saan?
Ayan, nakita ko pa rin.
Ay, hindi natin nakikita, Mia.
Oo. Dito.
Saan? Saan sila?
Ay, nasa kabila pa.
Di na makita eh. Dito?
Oo, andun.
Oh my gosh, may matay dyan sila. Oh my gosh! Hindi sila makikita. We have a winner!
Yay! Next up is River Expedition, guys. Ayan kami. Well, you can see us wet. Dry from wet. O, diba? Ayan. Well, this one, I can ride it, guys. So, it's a current only and it's water. Ayan, ikot-ikot lang yan kami. Tapos, dinadrop kami sa water. It was a fun ride with them. Ayan, you can see. We're going out na. So, every ride, guys, there is a merchant shops. Ayan. And by the way, after the ride, syempre nabasa kayo, you can dry yourself over there. I guess it's 20 dirhams. Oh, diba? Pero you can fit yourself.
Smurf Village,
inside.
guys.
What's that?
Smurf Village. Ang cute. This is a studio tour. Gusto nyo yan? Mag-ride kayo? Ha? Okay. They will ride here. We're gonna ride, guys, over there. The Village Express. Gonna find a way.
Yes, guys. Ayan po. Super cute ang Smurf Village. Well,
Guys, ayan
although
ang
it's
Smurf
summer,
Village. Pag
meron pong
lola
malaking
nyo,
electric
or
fan.
they're
Ayan,
gonna
guys.
ride
Yan.
Smurf
So,
Express.
dyan tumapat ang lola nyo. While the kids take the ride, yung Smurf, ayan o, yung ride
Diba?
niya.
Ang cute-cute na
Smurf
houses.
Express
May
something.
malaking
Ako
kabute sa
naman,
likod ko.
feeling,
Well, I don't know if they are there. They're not yet there sa train na yun. O, ayan. So, ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo ang paligid ng Smurf Village. Ayan. Okay, nakita nyo yan. Ayan, ito ang Smurf Studio. Ayan o, merong Smurf Studio. Diba? Ang gaganda. Yan guys. Oh, yan lang. Yan ang masasabi ko. Ayan. Nakikita nyo ba ang kabute? Oh, diba? Pero close siya ngayon. And this is the famous kabute. Hirap para mag-vlog guys. Ang hirap. Pero syempre, I'm enjoying here. Very Smurfy Cafe. Smurf shop. Smurfy Cafe. go. Ha? Lions Gate. Pero dito, sige. DreamWorks yan, nandiyan si Shrek.
Well guys, this is what's inside of DreamWorks. Yan, sa Motion Gate. They have the Shrek, the Madagascar, the How to Train Your Dragon, I guess. Oh, ayan. Anyway, we will go to where? Shrek first. Ayan guys, by the way, ito pala yung coldest place among all others.
This is Shrek House. Oh, diba? Ang cute. Yan. So, kay Shrek Journey to. So, ito si Fiona. Ito si Shrek. Okay guys, ang cute diba? Ito si Shrek. Shrek Journey. Let's go to the Shrek Journey. Let's go. Dito tayo. Pasok tayo kay Shrek Daddy. Let's go. Ha? Let's go. Asan sila? Let's go. Let's go kay Shrek. So dark here. So dark in here.
Yun. As you know guys, sa loob ng rides yan, parang train yon. Tapos they're telling you a story about Shrek. Shrek Journey nga. So maganda naman kasi may mga effects. Ang cute, pang bata siya. So now we will go to How to Train Your Dragon and let's see naman kung anong meron dito. Kung kay Shrek Journey is parang for mga young at hearts or mga kids, let us see. Ay, nakakatakot. Ayan, look at the ceiling guys. Napatingala ang lola nyo kasi nandun yung ride sa ceiling guys. So, you know it. So, syempre, dragon nga siya, diba? So, ayun, nasa taas. And then, there's a Viking boat talaga. Viking boat doon. So, ayan. Pero, katakot. Extreme yata dito. Pero, let's see. Ayan, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung surrounding. O, ayan. Syempre, How to Train a Dragon. How to Train Your Dragon. Diba ang setting nun? Parang Vikings, ganyan. So, may mga pa tubig sila dyan. Guys, napasubo ako dun sa Viking boat. Swing lang daw. Pero hindi. Muntik na ako ma-heart attack. So, I said I will not try the dragon gliders. So, sila na lang. Meanwhile, I'll explore the place. So, sa kanilang sinakyan is dragon gliders. Ako, I meet na lang the dragon. Yes, guys! I met Toothless in person. Chararot. O, yan. O, diba, moving yan. O, diba, kunwari, afraid pa ako. Yun lang, guys. And then, the place itself, ang saya. Pati yung mga bata and Mr. Kes, they enjoy the ride sa Dragon Glider. O, ayan, paakyat na tayo. Let's see kung ano pa ang meron dito. Pero talaga, the place, it's nice. Actually, masarap magpahinga dito sa DreamWorld. Kasi ang lamig dito. Malamig siya, guys. Kaya paglabas mo, o, diba? Summer na naman. O, ayan, let's walk around na lang while we wait for them. Ayan. Okay. Let's go, guys, to the dragon lair. Ah.
Oh my gosh. Yes! We are here. Nandun sila guys. So, ako ay naghihintay. Kasi nag-ride sila. Grabe. Ayan, I'll show you the rides. I don't know if you can see it. Over there. Yun yung rides guys. Yan. Nakaupo sa ganyan, I think. Madilim kasi. I cannot. I will die there. Pero guys, yan. I tried the Vikings. Yung sway-sway ng boat. Sabi ni ate hindi daw. Pero, hello, ang taas-taas. I did not open my eyes. Yun lang, I closed it. And I showered. Yun lang guys. Pero, syempre, sa mga adventurer, it's fun. Yan guys, ang rides. Grabe. Kita nyo yan.
In short, guys, they love it. Yun lang.
A few moments later.
Let's go to Madagascar. Let's go. Why, nandito si Zebra? Oh. It's, there's a big train. Ha? Saan? Saan yung roller coaster?
Ito train?
Ay, ayoko yan. Kasi hanggang taas yata yan eh. I don't like. The train? Where is that one?
Well, this is for kids, they said. Pero tinry pa rin nila yung rides. Actually, the Mad Pursuits, yun talaga yung grabe na overwhelmed sila sa rides na yun. So, after neto, nag-Mad Pursuits sila, guys. Yun. Miski si Mr. Cats, medyo natakot. Pero sabi niya, yun daw yung pinakamagandang rides so far dito sa DreamWorks. Well, of course, dun yun sa taas, guys, sa ceiling. I will show you. And guys, na-meet namin si Alex and I think this is Skipper. O, diba? With a kiss on my hand pa yan.
Bye-bye! Ayan yun. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan na sila. Sorry, tapos na kami. Sorry. Tapos na kami. Yan. Pag ganun. Si Puzo. Oh. Anong ano dito ride? What's the ride? Ayun oh. Awesomeness, unstoppable. I don't like. Something unstoppable. Mommy scared. Ah, wala. Kainan lang. Ito. Here, oh. Daddy, here. Jump. What is this? 4D? 3D. 3D lang
Instead
daw,
of
wag
the
na tayo
3D, kasi
mag-3D.
20 minutes ang namin, mako-consume. Nag-ride na lang kami ng Giant Camps. Nag-enjoy naman kami, nahilo kami dyan sa Mr. Pink's. Guys, we have to move on and leave DreamWorks. Magne-next stop na ako, pero papakita ko pa rin sa inyo yung itsura niya, guys. O, diba? Ang ganda! And by the way, guys, I know medyo mahaba na yung vlogs ko, pero actually, para malaman nyo kung is it worth it ba to pumunta sa Motion Gate, kasi medyo malayo-layo siya. Pero for us, with this price, it's worth it.
Let's go! There's another one. Let's go! Last one, guys.
This is our next stop, guys. Lionsgate.
Wata. Wala yan, mga show yan. Baka may show tinikling. Hollywood, guys. But we decided to go to Lionsgate. Di mo napapansin. Wow! Naku, patay kayo dyan! Ayan, kaya nyo yan, guys?
Oh, yeah.
I will stay here. Sakay na kayo kagad. Wow! Wow! It's very nice. Sakay na kayo doon. Oh my gosh! Parang yung soul mo mawawala. Look at that one. Oh no, it's too much. Look at this one. Let's see this one. It's supposed to be like this. Oh no. Wow. Uy, pabaliktad. Pabaliktad. Ano? Aray ko. Ha?
Ikaw na lang, pasal ko.
Alam, tatuto. Huwag na. Dito na doon. Daddy, kami na. Uy!
Ay, huwag mo dalhin dyan.
Daddy.
Wait.
KJ.
You can eat over here. We ordered, me and Jaja, we order, ano yan na? Nachos. Baka kulang sa amin yan. Kasi nag-ride sila. So kami, kakain na lang kami. So yun lang, later. Sige nga, magkain nga ako ng nachos.
Lugar nila.
Ito Hunger Games ba to? Isang chips lang to Jobe ang tubo nila. 10 times. So, yun lang later. Ayan. Yes, guys. Now you see me. High roller. John Wick. Close, Daddy. It's closed. Picturean kita, di. Di, picturean kita. Picturean kita doon kay John Wick. Kunwari, contractor ka. Yes, that's the end of the... But it's worth it. Yes. Worth it siya, guys. Pagod na pagod kami. Hindi pa kumain yung mga kids na yun, ah. In the night with Vinny. Hotel run. Dito, Daddy, where are you going? 360. Let's go home. Force na ako. Thank you. So good.
Ayun guys, as much as we can, pumunta kami sa mga dapat nyong makita and nag-enjoy rin kami at the same time. Just a reminder, the park will close at 9 p.m. Pero dun sa information desk, we have to hurry up kasi ba naiwan yung aming microphone, camera mic. So magko-close sila ng 8:30. So otherwise, hindi namin makukuha siya. The following day pa namin makukuha. So, kung kayo yung magpupunta dito, kailangan drink lots of water, guys. At saka, magbaong kayo ng pamaypay, guys. Yun. Or yung electric fan. The small fan. Yun. Thank you, guys, for watching. And see you in the next vlog. And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. And follow me also in all my social medias. And let's be friends! Later!